Hey everyone, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So today I'm going to do a makeup look using this palette from City Colors. Yes, I'm so excited to be using this one because I think I got this a while ago and I haven't touched or used this one, and I cannot wait any longer to use this palette. And it's my first time having a City Color product. Yes, that's why I'm so excited. And yeah, although this is a smoky eye palette and I will be doing a smoky eye today, and it's very hot outside and very bright, but I don't give a damn. I just wanted to do my smoky eyes and I just wanted to use this palette from City Colors. And by the way guys, make sure to stay until the end of this video because I will be doing a mini review and swatches on this palette. So yeah, make sure to stay until the end of this video if you are interested on this palette. So this is the look that we have. I think it's still daytime appropriate for me. It's not that over the top smoky eye. And if you want to know how I did this look, then just keep on watching. So today I'm using the Wet n Wild Fergie eyeshadow primer, and actually this primer surprised me because it really made my eyeshadow lasted the entire day. And then I will just be setting that using, of course, my favorite eyeshadow palette from For You Too. Then this is going to be my transition color, guys. Yes, I'm applying this mostly concentrating on the crease area. Then I thought that I needed to warm up my lids more. That's why I am applying this color. Then I am taking the darkest brown on the palette so that I could, give more definition on that crease area, as you can see. So I'm taking again that same brush that I used earlier just to blend the edges because we don't want any harsh lines here. So I'm using the Maybelline Color Ink as a base and applying this all over my mobile lid. Then my first color from the City Colors is this beautiful green, like a mossy colored green, and I am applying this on top of the Maybelline Color Ink. Then I will be taking that brown eyeshadow again and make sure that I blend those edges so that it will look seamless. Then I will be taking that much darker green and applying that onto my outer V area to just make definition, and taking that lightest green shade from the palette and apply this on the inner corners of my eyes. And of course I highlighted my brow using the lightest shade from that palette. And of course I went ahead and applied my favorite wing eyeliner. I need to do wing eyeliner, as you know, if you watch my video, I always do wing eyeliner because it just makes my eyes look boom. Then I'm using the E.L.F gel liner to tightline my upper waterline. And of course, don't forget to apply some mascara. And then I went ahead using my favorite eyelash curler from Panasonic, and this is my lashes for today, guys. I'm using one of my favorite lashes from Red Cherry, which is the number 43. And then moving on with our face, I'm using only this Biore Sunblock as my face primer. I don't usually use face primer, I just use my sunblock. And then of course don't forget to apply an eye cream, and of course it's foundation day. So I'm just using one of my favorite foundations too from L'Oreal. Yeah, just a teeny, not too much because it's so hot. And then I'm applying this concealer from NYX. I do like this concealer from NYX, guys. It's so creamy and it doesn't settle on my fine lines. I'm very particular with my under eye area because I hate seeing it when it starts to crease and if a concealer starts to settle on my fine lines. So now I'm just grooming and filling my brows. I do have a video on how I groom and fill in my brows, guys. If you want to check it out, I will have the link in the description box. And oh, I forgot to mention, I've used the Essence All About Matte to set my face, and as usual, my Daiso Duo Shadow to contour my nose. And today, I will be using this NYC Bronzer in Sunny as my bronzer, of course. And I do really like this bronzer because it looks so natural considering that I have a pale skin. And for my blush, it's the City Colors blush palette, and I must say that I really love that blush palette. And for my highlight, it is the MAC Soft and Gentle, of course, because it's my favorite. And right now, I'm finishing the eyes and applying the darkest brown shadow onto the outer corner and finishing it with the lightest green shade and applying it onto the inner corners of the eye. And of course, we need eyeliner on our waterline to make this look more, vavoom. And yeah, apply tons of mascara onto your lower lash line. And right now, I am finishing the lips using my favorite lip liner from NYX, which is, I think, Nude Pink. And for the finale, I am applying MAC's, what's it called? This is my favorite nude color and I forgot the name, Blankety. So yeah, this is our look, guys. I think it looks so subtle and still appropriate for daytime. What you think? So now let's talk about this palette. This is, of course, the Smoky Eye palette from City Color, and I got mine from Amazon.com, and I do believe that this is a very affordable palette. So this is how it looks like. It has 12 shades and it has a pretty decent size eyeshadows, and you have your more on the green shades, your purple shades, and your blue shades. Yes, so this is just it. It's very simple. It's just your typical smoky eye palette. And now let's talk about the texture of this palette. For me, this is a pretty decent palette, and I could compare this one with the Sleek eyeshadow palettes. They have the same texture in them, although it's not as creamy and buttery as with the Lorac eyeshadow palettes, but it's not powdery at all compared to BH Cosmetics Reveal palette. That one was really powdery. This one is not. So yeah, as you can see, it's not that powdery at all. So let's do some swatch on this one. So here are the swatches, guys. Let me zoom in a little so you could see further. So yeah, these are the colors. So these shadows on the top row seems to have more pigmentation compared to the shadows on the lower row, as you can see. So my overall thoughts on the City Color Smoky Eye palette is that I do like this palette, and I recommend and buying this one as well. And why do I say that I end up liking this palette? It's because it's very affordable and it has a good texture in them, and you have a lot of shadows to choose from this palette. You have 6 eyeshadow colors to choose from, and yeah, it's very affordable, and it has that semi buttery creamy finish, which I like. And it's not the same as with the BH Cosmetic Reveals palettes, which are very chalky powdery, but this one is a little creamy, and also it has a pretty decent pigmentation in them. So yeah, I do recommend this palette. And what else? So if you have any questions regarding the City Color Smoky Eye palette, just let me know in the comments section and I will answer those. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching this one, and if you have more question regarding this palette, just let me know in the comment section or in all my social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Yeah, so I do hope that you've enjoyed this one, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you in my next one, guys, and I love you always. Peace.